Hi everyone, Rodian here. We're back on the footprint of the house, and man is it cold. Right, today I have to tackle these tree stumps, this tree here. I'm going to have to flatten over a lot of this sand up here from the bank. That's going to get flattened over there. All of this is because tomorrow we're having the starting of the deliveries. The bricks, blocks, cement, a load of the stuff that we need to do to build the house. And also we're going to have to move all these old blocks from the floor out of the way, the pallets, the doors is clear. I'll probably bring the digger, level it all over so we've got a nice level ground for all the bricks and blocks to sit on, otherwise they could fall over. We don't want that. Right, enough of me wobbling on. Let's get the digger out and get these massive great tree stumps removed. That plan was a success. Right, let's get back and then we'll move those other stumps, just get them out of the way. Right, now that's them out of the way, I'm going to start clearing all this rest of the stuff up. Right, we're all cleared up. Mixer's gone. All the pallets, all the doors, everything over there is completely cleared away and gone. Everything over there is completely cleared away and gone. So everything's all good, everything's all gone, we're fine. Now I'm just going to take the digger, flatten that out and just level across all through here so we've got a nice plain stand for the bricks to sit on. Last thing I want is anything to fall over while I'm unloading them. I'll crack on with the digger and get that all nice and leveled out now. And there we go, just start ironing a shirt. Apart from the shirt is a hell of a load of dirt, and the iron is a 1.5 ton, I was about to say tank, but digger. So there we go, that's what it looks like, nice and flat. We should be able to get, I don't think I want to put blocks or anything over there because we've got drainage coming through here eventually, but definitely over here, there is, let me widen this out a bit, there's heaps and heaps of room. Tons of room over there, and I can put a hell of a load all the way up there, up to there. I need to make sure there's a bit of room up there so we can turn around. All that can be for the bricks and blocks and whatnot. I've made a little ramp down here so the digger can get in and out, so it's down to the second level because I've got to dig through there with that bucket. I've got to change that over. I've got to move the ramp. This is where the front door is going to go, so I'll put it there because we're going to have tons and tons of bricks here, so I'm not going to be able to run in and out with bricks down that ramp, so I'm going to have to move it to go through the front door. Right, I'll leave that there for today. I'll check back with you guys when all the bricks turn up.